In this video, we want to talk about CrowdStrike. And over the last couple of weeks, there's been so much uncertainty due to the global outage impacts, which is also affecting CrowdStrike's earnings moving forward. The stock is down nearly 50%. In other words, the stock has lost roughly $30 billion in market capitalization. However, Cathie Wood has been loading up on the shares in recent days. She's added roughly 20,000 shares this past Monday, and then nearly 40,000 shares this past Friday. Now, big levels that I want to bring to your attention of interest. You have recent highs. Price just went through that like a hot knife going through butter at 360. You had resistance and support at 280. This past week, price gapped and went lower. Now the next level of interest that I'm looking at is at this $240 level. You have resistance. You had a pullback right to that level before the next leg higher. So this is where I'm expecting price to at least pause. Again, you get down to $200, you got to back up the dump truck. This company owns roughly 20% of the security market in the world. And again, if price was to get down to $200, that would be a 50% haircut. Now let's get into the news. CrowdStrike stock has been on an incredible decline in recent days, triggered by the global outage that has grounded planes and disrupted major businesses. The culprit: this was due to an update that crashed millions of Microsoft systems. This has led bottom fishers to try and time the bottom. Don't try to time the bottom. And ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood appears to be one willing to buy the stock around these levels, and thus far, her bet looks to be directionally correct. No, not yet. Wood reportedly picked up more than 20,000 shares on Monday, and then another 40,000 shares on Friday. The combined purchase is worth $17 million. The question is whether CrowdStrike will be able to turn the corner after a major shutdown and pave the way for greater confidence in its offering to its existing and prospective clients. If it can pull things off, Wood's bets could certainly pan out. Again, we all need, I should say big companies need security, especially in the cloud. This is one of the top security solution companies in the world. And so, if you want to catch that falling knife, you can start chipping in on a further decline. This is the daily chart. Price is now below the 200-day moving average. Again, that 240 level is a level of interest. You also have another level of interest at the 210. That was on earnings on a gap and go play. Let's see what happens this week. Are we going to start the week with another gap and go to the downside? Or are we in the process of forming a bottom? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.